Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I'm AJ. I went hiking with my grandpa, my father, and my brother at Taichung Dakeng hiking trail the day straight after we played basketball in the Decathlon. And here's the link. So that game was actually on December 1st, not in November. I said it wrong in the last film. Sorry guys. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, press like, and turn on notifications. Now we're at Taichung Dakeng, the number 4 hiking trail.
We drove about an hour from Nantou to get here through some very windy roads to get here. Very narrow, but we're here.
Let's go. Okay, this is what I saw on Google Maps. That what the trail looked like. See, it's crazy when you climb up there.
哇，这么陡的山。
Princess, you. 早安。上面也是这么陡吗
？300公尺过后就比较好走。
哦，好，谢谢。Okay, that guy just said after 300 meters, it won't be that steep. Oh, 你有走过这样的路过吗？
没有，第一次。
想说，这应该会很有趣。Super strong, as you can see.
They don't carry him. Look at that. Huh?
Okay, we hiked for 300 meters.
Cool. Okay.
Good for you, Princess.
I have Wi-Fi here. No Wi-Fi.
Data. Signal. The wind is so strong and I'm feeling cold. I think this was for the old trail before.
Yes.
Okay, so we went 600 meters. Yeah, 600 meters. And we're heading back. Good hike.
What a great hike today.
Yeah. This is special dog.
Okay.
What?
This is the place we had our lovely lunch. On the way up, the weather was shiny and windy, so I was wearing only a t-shirt. But on the way down, the temperature became way cool. I left my jacket on the car, so I was freezing until I got in the car. Okay, that's all for our hiking.
What a great trip.
High five.
Yay!